Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to unbox this Cash Envelopes wallet with you. So this company, I want to say it's like Soligt, but I'm sorry if I am mispronouncing it. They reached out to me via Instagram and asked if I would like to receive one of their wallets in exchange for an honest review, and I did agree to that, and I'm really excited to open this up. Now, I mentioned this on my Cash Envelopes for Etsy video. It looks like I opened this, but honestly, I didn't. It's just the way it came from the shipping. So I am going to open it right now with you, and I have some cash envelopes on hand, and we can see how everything fits together. So this is a 100% honest review, first impressions, things like that. So this is a little thank you, a little card here, and it says, thank you so much for purchasing these it's either Solit or Soligt Cash Envelopes wallet. All of our products are crafted with an obsessive attention to details. We are a small family-run business. We'd love to hear your honest thoughts or see pictures. If you are satisfied with your order in any way before leaving a negative review, please contact us, and there is their information. And it says we will make every effort for your 100% satisfaction. So there's your little guarantee card, which is nice. And this little packet here, this is nice. This comes with, looks like some cash envelopes and registers. Well, they're calling them budget sheets. So they are hole punched for those of you who are looking for that. And they are pre-punched. Maybe this would work for some of you depending on what kind of binder you use, or maybe it goes in here. I'm not sure. I have to check that out first. And these are the vertical envelopes, and you have your opening up here. And then you would fold this down and tuck it into the slit. So that is really nice. And of course, here is where you would write on it. So you have some different patterns, everything black and white. So very neutral. Should probably go with really basically any kind of setup that you have. As far as color scheme, black and white always goes with things. And then here are the budget sheets. You have a column for date, description, amount, and balance, a category, a beginning balance, and it looks like that is what they are on both sides. So that's really nice. It's a nice feature. So here's the wallet. Comes wrapped really nicely. So you have your plastic protection, and then you have an extra layer of protection with some tissue. And here is what your wallet looks like. Now, first impressions, I will say that the texture of this wallet, and I'm not sure if you can pick it up, but it reminds me a lot of my Henry Bendel wallet that I love, and it's oversized like that. So as far as height goes, it's, you know, extra tall. And I love that wallet so much. I am so sad that Henry Bendel has gone out of business. But as you can see, I think this is a little sticker down here. This is a really nice, generous size. So if you're looking for something to keep you very organized, this might be right up your alley. So back here, it has like this demi-lune shaped pocket. So that's really nice for some added organization. And then here, some detailing is a gold zipper, and it has a matching fabric zipper pull. So let's get into opening this. And that is true. So here you have an entire binder system inside. So that is really, really nice. So you can put your, let's see if I can open these. You can put your envelopes that this comes with right inside of here. And this is all good to go. So with room to spare, I might add. So that's that. And then here you have a large pocket. And then back here, a second pocket. You have slots for credit cards. You have a zipper pocket here. So you can put maybe coins and things like that, things you don't want to fly out of your wallet. A place for more cards back here. I know it's really difficult to see. And then, of course, more cards here. And then their trademark is over there. And then here you have a pen loop, so you can, a little elastic one so you can put a pen in here. And I just wanted to show you the envelopes that I make are 7 inches across, and you can see that they fit perfectly. So if you wanted to do any type of divider system, or you wanted to use your own envelopes in here, they do fit, and they do fit quite nicely. So this is a super, super nice product. I'm really impressed. I think that the binder feature is really cool. I don't think that you are locked into just using this if this isn't something that you want to use and you want to use this some other way, maybe with some planning pages, and you want to put your cash envelopes back here. Like I said, this is nice and tall and really generously sized, so you can pretty much set this up to your convenience, to your needs, and this would work for you. So I just wanted to show this to you guys because I think it's a really nice product. I did see pictures of their items before I received this, so I kind of had an idea, you know, what this might be like, but to actually hold it in my hand and feel the quality of it, I think that it is really well made and just very well done. So I want to thank the company for reaching out to me because I love having the opportunity to see this product in person, and I thought that it was really very nice of them to send this. And I'm going to go ahead and link their Instagram below, and if I can link their website and things like that, just so you guys can check it out for yourselves. And that's it, guys. So here is the box again in case you want to take a peek at the name again, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you have any comments, leave them down in the comment section. And of course, I want to thank you so much for watching. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.